I gonna show you how to set up SoftEther VPN in our Mac OS. Okay. So first of all, we need to open the system settings using many kind of option. Here we can use the launchpad to find out the system settings, or here you can use the command and space, then type the system. After that we need to press the enter, then it will open system settings. Otherwise we can click on the Apple icon, then click on system settings. After and go to the add a VPN connection and click on L2TP over IP stack. Okay. So after clicking on it, it will open a new window for the VPN configuration. Here you can see look like that. You will get a same window look like that. So display name whatever you want you can give over here. Here I will put the display name US VPN and configuration. Here we need to create a new configuration. Here after clicking on this drop down menu we will get add configuration option. After clicking on it we will get an option. So over here also you can give anything. Here I will give the name anything. Click on OK. Then we need to put the server address. So server address you will get from your server guide, from your IT team. Okay. So here I will find out the server address. Here my server address, for example purpose I will put the server address. Okay. Yeah. This server address, account name, those options are mandatory. So account name is the VPN username you was created during the VPN user creation time. Okay, here I will put I already created a username. Look like Subrata the host. Okay, so during this failed healing up, you need to put the user authentication as a password. Okay, here we can see the different kind of user authentication, and as per our VPN server setup we choose the password for the user authentication. Okay, then I need to put the password over here. To machine authentication. So machine authentication, there are many kind of machine authentication look like shared secret or some key files look like that. Here we are choosing the shared secret, and we already setting up a shared secret key during the VPN server installation time. So here we will choose the shared secret. Okay. So after that here you can see the pre-shared secret. Copy and paste it over here. These option also mandatory. Without shared secret we can't establish the VPN connection in a Mac machine. So group name we can leave it blank, then click on create. Okay, here you can see the VPN user already created. After going to the VPN section we need to enable it, then it will be connected. So once is is configured, it will not allow, as per the macOS by default security rules, it will not allow any traffic route through VPN. accepted some specific application like terminal, some code editor, FileZilla look like that. They only able to access the VPN, and any browser can't start the data through VPN connection. So in that procedure we need to enable some settings by clicking this icon. After clicking this icon, it will open a new window, and it will show our pre-configured VPN settings. After that, we need to go to the options. Then we need to enable these options: send all traffic over the VPN connection. Make it on. Click on OK. Then turn on and turn off the VPN. So here I was already created a VPN connection. It was showing connecting. Now it was connected. So guys, that's all for the day. Bye bye. Take care.